Hey guys, so in this video I will be showing you how to add training as examples in Teachable Machine. So let's go and start doing that. So before adding examples, you must define what the AI is looking for. So click on here to one of these models, so image project, audio project, post project. So let's go with image project. Click on it like that, and we are now in this project. Now click the pencil icon next to the class 1 to rename it, and click add a class at the bottom to create as many categories as you need, like that. So if I go right here, as you can see, I have like something like that, and then I have something like that, for example. Now what it's going you will gonna do is you will upload pictures from your computer like so. You can choose image from your files or drag and drop here, or you can import images from Google Drive. The same you will do right over here, or you can use the webcam if you like, and you will record yourself there. Um, yeah, then balance your classes. Try to have a similar number of examples in each class. If dog has, for example, or here in my images, if this has 10, uh, if this has 10 images, then here it would be also nice to have uh, 10, 10 images. So I have it. I have I have 8 images there, so I will delete right here some of them. Something like that, for example. And now we have this the same amount of images here. Then you will click train model, and then at advanced you have epoch, batch size, learning rate, and then preview will be right here that you can export model, and then here you will have this webcam, and the percentages of class 1 and class 2 outputs, so that you see comparable how this thing works. So this is how you can train examples in Teachable Machine. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next